whatever you want it to be, whether you want it to be tarot or affirmation or whatever you're trying to do. She breaks it down step by step how to make it. So I bought that and I did it. I did every single step and I ordered my inventory and I put it on Etsy and now it is here.
Dope dialogue. So let's tap into your entrepreneur side.
Yes.
Tell us about your business and your brand.
Yeah, so my business is called BlxckMonopoly. I'm going to spell it because people don't know what I'm saying when I say that. It's Trink, Trink, Formations, Firmations.
Nice.
So it started as, in COVID, I was like, what can I do to make myself feel like I'm living in a purpose and not just sitting at home every day? So I started an affirmation page. That's the way it started. It wasn't a business. It's just, let me share some affirmations that have been working for me with my healing with the world and just see where it goes. And then a few months ago, I had this spark, this idea that popped in my head like, oh, I could make an affirmation card deck and we could turn this into a whole business. And so like I said, I'm working on like pushing past fear and just going for what I want to do. So that was my first kind of big project with that. Because normally ideas just used to stay in my head, but I would be too scared to like move forward with them out of fear of rejection or failure or whatever. So I was like, okay, I Googled how to make an affirmation card deck first because I had no idea. And I found this website. This woman, her name is Chantel Davis Gray. She's awesome. She makes what's it called? It's pretty much not an ebook. It's like a website, but whatever. She makes this kit that shows you how to make your own deck of cards, whatever you want it to be, whether you want it to be tarot or affirmation or whatever you're trying to do. She breaks it down step by step how to make it. So I bought that and I did it. I did every single step and I ordered my inventory and I put it on Etsy and now it is here.
Ooh,
the
nice.
very first affirmation card deck, the empowerment cards. It's 30 cards of affirmations that I feel have been most important to helping me come into my own power. And honestly, I didn't know how the world would receive them, but every piece of feedback I've been getting has been like blowing my mind. Like
Nice.
one of my, I don't want to call them customers because.
Why? Why not?
Because I feel like we're family. You know, I feel like, because this is literally like my soul. I put my soul into this and I feel like, yeah, my supporters. One of my supporters, she was telling me that she has to buy a whole new deck of cards because hers, maybe 3 to 5 year old daughter had taken the cards and was using them every day. And it really has been helping her daughter grow her own self-esteem. And I was like, wow. That's beautiful. Like I was so touched by that. And every piece of feedback has been like, these are changing my life. I read them every day. I look forward to them every day. And I'm like, I had no idea.
Nice.
I had no idea. And this could have just been one of those ideas that just stayed in my head and I never did anything with them. But now, you know, they're actually helping people.
That's pretty dope.
Yeah.
So like you don't have to give your full recipe because, you know, everybody has their own, you know, things that make their product unique. Mm-hmm. You said you put your soul into it in a way.
Yeah.
So how do you, like, what does that process look like in terms of making these affirmation cards that are going to speak to people?
Yeah, so what I did, I literally just, first of all, it's all God. I prayed on it. I was like, God, just send them to me. Whatever I need to put forth into this world, like, help me do that. So it started with just a Word document. I just was like, okay, I'm going to just speak from my soul. Like, what do I think that I need to tell myself, to remind myself of my power, because at the end of the day, these are affirmations that have helped for me. So they just kind of flew out, you know. I made a list of 30, I think it was like 36, and then I just went through and I deleted the ones that didn't speak to me as much, and I got them down to just the final 30 that really are like, okay, like this is that. When I read this, I'm like, all right, I'm reminded of who I am. So I kept those ones, and then after that, like I said, I bought the I don't know what to call it, the program, I suppose, that helped me take it from just the affirmations in the Word doc to the actual deck.
Smooth.
Yeah.
So do you have like any visions to expand, like to be like, okay, you know what, I'm going to get to this realm of, you know, the spirituality?
Absolutely. So because this literally started as an affirmation page, and then I was like, I just got the idea to make a deck. I don't have a business plan. I'm
cool.
literally going with the flow. I am at the point now where I do have to make a plan, so I'm working on that. But my vision is just for this to, first I want my own storefront one day, but before that I want to get these cards, the empowerment cards. We're almost at Etsy bestseller status, by the way. I want to get them into retailers, so I want to be able to reach more people that way. I want to expand into, I have an idea right now for 2 more affirmation card decks, but I also want to do journals, I want to do calendars. I want to make self-love and self-care easier because I know we're all busy running around, but if it's just like a card you can pull every day, or your planner or your journal already has these self-care tips or these affirmations, it makes it easier to stay on track with that. So I want to help bring self-love to the masses. My motto is to inspire, spread love, and inspire healing. That's what we do here. It's actually here. Spreading love, inspiring healing.
That's pretty dope.
Yeah.